avoid perfectionism, meaning you won't get everything right before you start your business. There will be gaps. There will be things that you're not ready for. And if you wait until you have everything lined up, business plans, people, teams, clients, if you wait until all your marketing material is perfect, you're going to take forever. It'll never happen. You learn on the job in your new business. So perfectionism can often cause you to procrastinate and you never really get started. On the other hand, the second thing I would say is you do have to do a certain amount of planning and get yourself ready. Sometimes it's really ready emotionally. Are you intellectually ready to start a business? Have you done the research? Do you know that you'll be successful? Have you talked to people who are in this new business and learn lessons from them? So it's a little bit of a balance, right? If you try and get everything right before you start, you'll never start. If you jump in without any planning, any thought, any research about what you're doing, you're probably going to go down a wrong path and have to start over.